What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. So I promised you guys that I was going to reveal the new clutch that I purchased, and Mountune came through and sent me the package. It got here a lot sooner than expected. I actually received it a few days ago now, and so I appreciate the fast shipping that they did there. So you guys don't know what clutch I ordered, so let's go ahead and find out. So I ordered the Extreme clutch. I ordered the ceramic edition because it can handle a little bit. So I ordered the X clutch and I ordered the ceramic edition because it can handle a little bit more torque and power. So for the extra $100 or so, it was definitely well worth it. Let's go ahead and open the box. So here we have the cover. I'll give you guys a moment to go ahead and read that. Got the alignment tool and such. Some bolts. Plenty of stickers. Installment guide. More stickers. Anybody need any stickers? And there it is. It looks so pretty. Unfortunately, I won't be able to see it when it's installed in the car. Alright, guys, now that I revealed the clutch to you, I'm gonna go eat. I am starving. I haven't eaten all day. We're gonna go to Hooters, and hopefully before Christmas this clutch gets installed successfully. And of course, guys, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you thought I made the correct choice with buying the X clutch. And of course, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing. Until next time, I'm checking out.
Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gonna crash, I know I'm never gonna crash, ayy.